Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer USDT from your trust wallet to crypto.com, you're in the right place. This full guide for 2025 will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, I'll keep things simple and straightforward. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet installed on your device and a verified crypto.com account set up. You'll also need some USDT in your Trust Wallet to transfer. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending to the wrong address. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDT token in your wallet. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for USDT on the BEP20 or ERC20 network. Crypto.com typically supports these. Step 2. Tap on USDT to open its details, then select the Send or Transfer option. Here, you'll need the recipient address from Crypto.com. To get that, open your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the network matches. Use the same one, like BEP20 for faster, cheaper transfers. Step 3. Paste the address into Trust Wallet. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any network fees. They can vary, so pick the one that suits you best. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once sent, you'll see a confirmation screen. Now, head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet. It might take a few minutes for the funds to appear. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always stay vigilant against scams. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.